This patient had a chip in his front tooth and wanted the most conservative treatment option to fix it. We decided to do composite bonding to fix that chip. Here you get to see a little bit of the behind the scenes of what it looks like to do composite bonding on a front tooth. This specific chip is located only in the enamel, which is the first layer of the tooth structure. And because of that, we did not have to get this patient numb for this procedure. As we place the composite bonding on, we mold it to the tooth to try to make it look as natural as possible. After placing the composite and after we're happy with the way it looks, we'll dry it with this light called a curing light. And then after that, we'll polish it to make it look nice and shiny, just like the natural tooth. You can see here that I actually use different tools to polish the composite bonding. And that's because each one does something a little bit different. Look how natural it looks. You would never even know that this patient had a chip in his front tooth.